Hey, so y'all went crazy on the last video. I'm talking comments, messages, all that, right? So I had to run it back. But listen, I'm not repeating nothing from the first one. So these are going to be completely different websites. And honestly, some of these are even better than the first ones. So I'm going to say this. If you're looking for real work from home jobs, legit remote jobs, companies that are actually hiring right now, don't skip this, okay? And real quick, every site I'm about to show you is legit. So no scams, no fake listings, none of that. Because I already know people are tired of wasting time trying to find real remote work. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this first one. So, hiring.cafe. And I'm going to be real. So, this one feels like a cheat code for finding remote jobs. So, what this site actually does, it pulls work from home job listings from different places and puts them all right here in one spot for you. So, there's no logins, no signups. You literally just come here and start applying. Now, the pros, it's fast, it's simple, and you're not dealing with all that clutter like Indeed or LinkedIn. Now, the only downside to this one is sometimes it does redirect you somewhere else to apply. So I got a trick for that though. Don't just apply through their website, okay? What I want you to do is find the company that they are advertising and then go directly to their website and apply there. Okay. Now, that alone can increase your chances. And another tip, check this early in the morning or later at night because that's when new remote job listings usually drop. Okay. The next one I have for y'all is going to be one called No Desk. And I like this one because it's straight to the point. This is strictly remote jobs. No hybrids, no office roles, just work from home opportunities. And when you're on here, it actually does not feel crowded at all. It feels curated. Like they actually care about you and what get posted. Now the pros to this one is it's clean, legit companies, and not a bunch of junk listings, right? So the cons to this one is you're not gonna see a ton of jobs though, like the bigger platforms. So I'm gonna tell you how you can actually use this one, right? So you don't just check it once, you check it daily. Because when something gets posted here, you want to be early to actually apply for that role. Okay. Because once everybody else finds it, you're already late to the game at this point. Now, this one right here, people are really sleep on support driven jobs. And this is specifically for customer support remote jobs. Now, I know some people hear that and scroll past, but don't do that. Because customer support is one of the easiest ways to get into remote work opportunities. Now, companies are always hiring for this. So, the pros to this one is these positions are high demand positions, real companies, and a lot of these are beginner friendly. So, if you're new to this, you may want to check out this website. Now, the cons is it's niche. So, if you don't want to deal with customers, then this might not actually be your lane to apply. But if you do, this is where you can actually focus because now you're not competing with everybody. Now, let me give you a real example. Now, most of these roles are email, chat, or phone support. Now, you don't need some crazy background. If you've ever worked with people before, you can position yourself for this. Now, that's how people get in the door for these remote opportunities. So if you thought the first video was good, I'm telling you, these right here, these are the ones people really don't know about. So stay with me, okay? Now, the next one is going to be Power to Fly. So this one is a little more serious. So see companies offering benefits, structured roles, actual remote careers. Now, the pros is higher quality jobs for this one. Companies that are serious about hiring. Now, the cons to this one is going to be more competition, though. So, how do you win with this one here? Don't go on here and apply to 20 jobs. Don't do that. That's what everybody else is doing. So, what you want to do is pick 2 or 3 and then tailor your resume for each one. Now, that alone is going to put you ahead of most people. And with this one, I'm going to tell you, quality actually matters more than quantity. Now, this one, I like this one for a little different reasons, right? So it's called Flexa Careers. And what makes this different is they actually show you flexibility before you actually apply. So you can see if it's fully remote, you can see the flexibility it offers, or if it's hybrid or anything like that right up front. So you're not wasting your time applying. Now, the pros to this one, as you probably guessed, is transparency. That's key. That's number one. You're not guessing what you're walking into. Now, the cons is it's not a huge volume of jobs. So, how do you use this one? Use this to filter smarter. Now, find what actually fits your lifestyle, then apply for it. Because a lot of people waste time applying to jobs that don't even really fit them. All right. So, this next one, this is where things get interesting. Job board search. And what this does is it actually helps you find other job boards. Mm, Pretty cool, right? So instead of just using one site, you are going to be actually tapping into multiple remote job boards at once. Now, the pros, hidden opportunities, less competition, stuff most people don't actually see. Now, the cons is it's going to take a little more effort. But this is where you actually separate yourself because now you're not doing what everybody else is doing. You're finding jobs before they actually blow up. Now, this one here, this is going to be for people who don't want to sit and search all day. Remote leaf. They actually send curated remote jobs directly to you. Now, the pros, you save time and you're getting legit listings sent to you. Now, some of the cons to this one is some features do cost money. So if you don't want to spend money, this might not be for you. But think about it like this. How much is your time really worth? Now, if this is going to save you hours, it might be worth it. Now, the last one I have for y'all is going to be Contra. This is more freelance based remote work. So it's no middleman fees. You're going to be working directly with clients. Now, the pros is you keep more of your money and it's actually growing fast. Now, the cons to this one is you have to put yourself out there though. So, how do you actually use this site? Your profile matters, your portfolio matters. That's what's going to get you paid. Now, let me say this though, because this is where people mess up. They go on these sites, apply to a bunch of jobs, and then you hear nothing back. That's not the problem. You just didn't stand out. If you really want to land a remote job, don't just hit apply. Go to the company's website, connect with someone, do something different. So, listen, if you actually made it this far, you are already ahead of most people because most people, they're still doing the same thing over and over on the same websites, getting the same results. But now you got options. You got real platforms, real companies, and real opportunities. But watching this, that's not enough. You actually have to take action. So pick 2 or 3 of these sites, go through them, and apply the right way. But, and I want to hear from you because you guys blew up the comment section in the last video. So go ahead and blow this one up because I do want to hear from you and talk to you. Which one of these are you actually going to use? Drop it in the comments. And if you've been applying and not hearing back, say that too, because I might break that down in another video. And based on how crazy y'all went on part 1 and now this one, I might have to run it back again because I've got even more sites for y'all too, and even better strategies to apply to these sites. So make sure you're tapped in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye.